So you guys have been wondering what kind of body I was going to put on this. But what nobody understood was exoskeleton. That's what this is. Nobody else in a campground is going to have anything like this thing. This thing is going to be one of a kind. This thing is your post-apocalypse golf cart. This is a zombie hunter, bro. That's what we're going to name it. Zombie hunter. How you like that? Zombie hunter. Or zombie nation. No, that'd be a group. But yeah, guys. So there's nothing else left to do other than get the motor hooked up. Let's do that.
Yep, there's up and there's down. Yep, straight up and down.
Does that even look like it's going to be comfortable for the driver? Maybe. So I need a spring. Okay guys, so we're working on hooking up our throttle cable to the Duramax 7 horsepower engine. And we got it hooked up. She works. Give a little yank on this. I had to put a return spring here. I have one. I just had to get it. But she does work. And if the cable's not in a bind, it works even better. But she'll work good. I just have to put a return spring on here. I'm going to go from here to here. So, yeah, she does work. I'm going to hook it up to the gas pedal and we'll see how that goes. Alright guys, we got our foot pedal, gas pedal working and installed. Again, I just need to actually, technically when this motor's running, the governor would pull that back. But I'm still going to put a light duty spring on there because it doesn't take much. Actually, I could probably honestly loosen this screw, but it's still getting a spring. But watch, works. Full throttle, baby, full throttle. Full throttle. So now we're going to relocate the fuel tank. And let's get to doing that. So guys, we got the gas tank relocated. And the engine runs. And the gas pedal works. But for some reason the key stopped working. So guys, that's it for today's episode. I'm going to get my tools and everything cleaned up just in case it rains, but this sucker is coming along great. Check this puppy out. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below what you think of this thing. I'm hoping you guys are liking it because she's coming along great. Thank you guys. Peace out and God bless.
it's done?
Hmm? There should be more over there.
Yeah, there is. There's fatter ones. Yeah, it's done.
I thought I found it done.
No.
What?
Do you want the fatter one, honey?
Yes.
Are you surprised?
Bring me a couple.
Mommy, are you surprised I found
No,
it
I'm not.
done?
Jared, go.
Go do
We are
what you need to do,
recording.
Okay? Here. And then there's another one over there, like the fatter one. Two of them, actually.
Okay.
Ooh.
Hit that pedal once.
Okay, hold on.
Okay, let go. Is that real stiff?
It's not bad.
Okay. Oh, there should be a pair of pliers over there.
Underneath.
Yeah.
I don't know if I can reach it.
Oh, could I have reached them? Just crimping them together. So it's not bad, huh?
No, it's not hard at all. I was pushing it with my hand.
Okay.
That'd be easy to push. You see what you think, but it's very easy. See?
Mm.
Not bad.
Not bad at all.
Mm-mm.